We are a new generation food machine technology company. We respect every idea of them. We listen to customer more, even if it sounds like a crazy idea. In our team, our partners have more than 10 years technology experience. In my memory, there was an impressive challenge in our overseas project. There was a Canadian customer who will use our machine in Canada, and they have a special request of our machine. It's a CSA standard. We got the improved list. Of course, we improved every request of the list before deadline. Then we got the point of CSA standard after this project. It's a key to bring us into Canada market. After this project, we got more orders by the same customer to building their production system in Canada. As you know, we focus at food factory. We found that customers finish the production. They are not only cleaning the machines, but also the containers. In Southeast Asia, the owner hired many manpower to wash containers. So we created the high-capacity container washing machine. Of course, it also can be customized. We design the machine according to your containers and the capacity request. Customers are amazing about this helpful machine to save them so much time every day. A right partner brings you to the right position. We offer what you want, what you need. Choose your partner, CYP Machinery Technology.